Ding dong a ding, ding dong a ding, ding dong a ding, ding dong a ding. What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. Christmas is upon us, so what are we talking about this week? We're talking about your winter Christmas holiday-themed EDC. If you're like me, you have a whole bunch of gear that you like to rotate in and out. When it comes to Christmas time, I have a bunch of festive stuff that I like to include. So let's just jump into it, shall we? Let's talk about the Christmas EDC. Woo! Starting off, we have a Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch. This, of course, is the Ugly Christmas Sweater Edition. It's got this fun print on it. On the top, we have some Ranger Eyes. I've got Be Kind, Stay Wild, Carry the Skull Christmas Ranger Eye. Be sure to check their website out. They've got a fun raffle that they do in the holidays. It's always for a good cause. Maybe you'd like to participate and win a prize. And this Ranger Eye is from Verified Collective. They're an EDC group that has some cool stuff. They also make this fun little Scully Ranger Eye as well that I love. Speaking of Ranger Eyes, did you know you can get your Pocket Theory Mini Ranger Eye at PocketTheoryEDC.com? Yes, just in time for Christmas, along with t-shirts and a lot of other fun EDC gear.
Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe.
What's in my winter Christmas EDC pouch? Well, I'm so glad you asked, Pocket Theory. Right up front, this pocket is the perfect place to stash your backup credit cards. In this back pouch is the perfect place to store other backup cards like an ID or your pinballs card or your Passmo if you're going to Japan at Christmas time. Inside this pouch, if you know about Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouches, you know they're the cool stuff. I mean, boom, we've got the continuation of the ugly Christmas sweater print on the inside with decorative flourishes. What better way to do it than with some enamel pins, especially if it's Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants or the leg lamp from A Christmas Story. When it comes to a notepad, Rite and Rain makes the best, and you can use some Christmas stickers to decorate your notepad. And also, what a great place to store some backup Christmas cash that you might need if you go shopping. So, of course, we have those things available. When it comes to writing stuff down, you want your Olight O Pen Mini. I've got the white insert, giving it a little candy cane look to it. And, of course, a flashlight. I've got my i3T in the Christmas Snowflake. Absolutely love these flashlights, especially this time of year. I love that print. When it comes to some multi-toolage, you're going to want to have some options. So I've got this fun little snowflake multi-tool that I got on Amazon. And, of course, I've got scissors, tweezers, and a toothpick in my ugly Christmas sweater Victorinox Classic SD Swiss Army knife. And when it comes to flames at Christmas time, you might want to light up a cigar or something like that. So, of course, you're going to want a Zippo. I've got the double butane insert, perfect for lighting a cigar at Christmas time. And got the Playboy on front. We love that. Great Zippo. You know, the only thing I'm really missing is like a fun Christmas-themed knife. Wait a second. Look what Santa Claus was nice enough to bring me. It's an early Christmas present. Wow. A green box deserves a green knife for opening it. You know who really loves the wintertime? Penguins love the wintertime. Let's get this box opened up and see what we're working with, shall we? I love a Vosteed knife. These guys are on a roll this year. Let's see what's happening on the inside of this package. Gonna give her a push and a pull. I do love this decorative box right here. All right, let's see what we've got to see on the inside of this box. Ooh. Vosteed always doing it right with the packaging. Oh, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you too, Vosteed. Oh, and some cute little stickers. Why, it's a raccoon sticker. I wonder if that's a harbinger of what's to come. And oh, whoa! Pocket Theory, look at this fun-ass shit that we are unboxing right now. Wow, Santa Claus knows me so well. Hold on a second. Are you ready for the first flippy? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, what a Jesus H. Christ. What a, Jeepers H. Christmas is what I meant to say. What a fantastic knife. Oh my God, the snowflakes are so tactile. That feels so fun. This little button lock is, oof, that is really, really nice. This is I mean, if you guys have ever held a raccoon, you know, they're like little guillotines in your hand. And this is just, oh, this is one of the snappiest raccoons I've had. Oh, that is just absolutely fantastic. This is going to go very nicely right here inside of our winter-themed EDC pouch. In fact, let's get all this stuff back inside here. Can't forget the Christmas cash, am I right? And look at that, Pocket Theory. Lo and behold, the winter EDC, man, it goes flawlessly inside this Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch. I love these guys. I'm going to have links to everything that you saw today in the description of this video. Be sure to check it out. I am especially pleased with this brand new Vosteed Raccoon Winter Snowflake Edition. Holy jeepers H, that is super sharp. Pocket Theory, I hope you guys are having an excellent holiday season so far. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. When it comes to winter EDC, remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.